Why are the animals? Ma'am, water animals.
Water animals are animals or water animals? You're right. You're right.
Water and land animals. Ma'am, is it land? Animal sounds. Farm animal. Farm animal. I think it's a I think that's water and land. Water and land.
Okay, my dear ones, many of you guessed the correct answer. That is animals, right? So today we are going to start with a new chapter, new lesson, animals. Yes, even Prashant, you're right, my dear. Wonderful of attempting to write in the chat box. Good. Many of you have written. Mokshit has written, wonderful, dear. And Ashwin has also written. Pratiksha, animal sounds you have written. And Amit also has written animal sounds. It was just a guess for the lesson. Okay, so you're going to learn about animals. You would have seen some of the animals. You would not have seen some of the animals. Okay, now what we are going to do is, let us see some of the animals. First, I always tell, we will go from easy to difficult, isn't it? So, what we are going to do is, we are going to see about some of the animals. Okay, 1 second.
It's good, sir.
Which animal is it?
Good. 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 Good, ma'am. Good. Good, ma'am.
Which animal is it?
Goat.
Goat.
Animal.
Which animal is it?
Goat.
Goat. Do you know the spelling?
Goat.
Do you know the spelling?
G-O-A-T. Goat.
It is?
Goat.
G-O-A-T.
Good. G-O-A-T. Good. G-O-A-T. Good. G-O-A-T. Good. G-O-A-T. Good.
Okay, now.
A-T. What is that?
This is also a goat. Okay.
Mommy goat.
Which animal is this?
Pig. Pig.
Pig. Do you know the spelling of pig? Spelling of pig. P-I-G. P-I-G.
Pig. P-I-G. Pig.
Off your mic. All of you off your mic. All of you off your mic. Lots of disturbance. I'm unable to hear you all off your mic. See, if you talk like this, I'm not able to teach. Okay, so let me teach. After that, we'll have a question session. Now listen, children. I don't know how many of you have seen the goat. See, I'll turn the goat and show to you. See, goat has 4 legs. It has horns. Okay. So it has ears at the side. It has 2 eyes, nose, mouth, like us only. But it's different. Okay. Even animals have eyes, ears, nose, like us. See, even this is a type of goat. It's telling hi to you all. Don't tell. It's telling if you make noise, it will come and dash you. It will come and dash you. Okay. So be quiet and be good children. Okay. Okay. Next, pig. How many of you have seen pig? If you have not seen, you can see how it is. This is a pig. Pig is also telling, my dear children, if you don't listen to Shantini ma'am, I'll come and dash you. Okay? Okay. Next. This is a very familiar animal. Yes. Immediately off your mic. Immediately off your mic. Immediately off your mic. So this is nothing but cat. Spell cat, all of you. C-A-T, cat. You are given in the Google Classroom also. See, I will turn cat. Now cat also wants to speak with you. Hi, first B children. How are you? I am fine. Hope you are listening to Shantini ma'am. Hope you are good children. Hope you are listening to your parents. If you don't listen to your parents, you know, I'll come and dash you. So be careful. Okay. So this is cat. Okay. You can see all the animals speaking here. Okay. Put off your mic. Pig is telling. Put off your mic, my dear children. Okay. Next. Here, this is very familiar. And all of you would have seen this. Listen to the sound as well. This is nothing but dog. Yes, dog is telling. Hi, first B children. How are you? I am fine. Off your mic. Otherwise, I'll come and bite you. Choo. Off your mic, all of you. Off your mic and listen. You're good children or bad children? You're good children, you will off your mic and listen to madam. Okay. Parents, please cooperate. Who's that? Whose parent voice is heard here? Please off your mic. Let it not be a disturbance. Ganesh. Okay. See here. Even dog spoke with you. Said, my dear children, be good. Who's this parent? Who's disturbing the class? Off the mic, please, dear parents. Any of the parents, if you see any parent's voice, and see, because I'm in the presentation, I'm unable to see who's the parent. Please, other parent also can just put a message or tell them to off the mic. If somebody is disturbing in between. Ankita, put off your mic. My God. Ankita. So you saw even dogs speak. Dog barks. Who's this? Dog barks, and you heard the sound of the dog. Okay, and you heard dog telling, be good, put off your mic. Listen to Shantini ma'am. Then only you can learn. Otherwise, you cannot learn. Otherwise, you cannot learn. See, it is wagging its tail and telling you cannot learn. If you want to learn, you have to listen to madam. If you don't want to learn, bad. You have to off your mic and speak. Okay. I mean, listen. So this also you would have seen. It's also familiar, right? Now, listen to the sound.
Horse.
No. Horse. You can see horse now. Horse also wants to tell hi to you all. Hi, friends. I love you, my dear first B children. You are all good children. I know that. Okay. See, I have a ponytail. I have a ponytail. And you know what I do? I run very fast. I love running. So I want you all to be good. I want you all to know about me. If you don't know about me, I will come and give one push with my tail. Okay? So be good children. Yes. Horse also you would have seen. This is, listen to the sound. Cow. Yes. Now cow would like to speak. My dear children, once you on your mic, immediately you have to put off your mic. Otherwise, I'll not give you people milk. You know, milk is the complete food. If you don't listen to the teacher, you cannot learn anything. If you cannot learn anything, why should I give you milk? Okay, be good, I will give you milk, tells the cow. Okay, my dear children, these animals you would have seen. Which animal? Goat. Okay, pig, P-I-G, pig. C-A-T, cat. Then spelling for dog, D-O-G, dog. You should know the spellings to write. Dog. And which animal is this? Horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. We are saying only about few animals. Okay. And do you know what are these animals called as children? These animals you would have seen in the houses. Listen carefully.
Domestic animals.
These animals are called as domestic animals. Very good. Who said? Wonderful. Many of you are answering. That's awesome.
Animals, ma'am.
Off your mic. Off your mic. Wonderful. Domestic animals.
Animal, ma'am.
Should I teach or go out of the class? Off your mic. Off your mic, all of you. Amit Gowda. So, these animals are called as domestic animals because it can be adjusted with living with the animals. Human beings. We are human beings. See, goat you have seen goat living with people. Okay, pig living with people. Pig, cat living with people. Dog living with people, horses living with people, cow living with people. So these are some of the animals which can live with the human being, live with us. Okay, such animals are called as domestic animals, which are kept at home, which can be kept at home. Okay, they will give us something and we will give them something to eat. Okay. Such animal who is dependent on us to live and who is friendly with us, the animals which do not harm us are known as domestic animals. Are known as, what are they known as?
Domestic animal.
Domestic animals. Okay. Let us now put the title here. These animals are called as domestic animals. Now let me teach the spelling. D-O, do. M-E-S, mess. T-I-C, take. Domestic. See, it's so easy. Spelling also for domestic. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C, domestic. And now animals. A-N-I, Annie. M-A-L-S, mals. Animals. So these animals are known as domestic animals. See this one. Okay, if you don't listen, even he is going to come to you and fight with you. If you're not listening, you're not good. Okay. So he tells now bye to you all. Okay. Tells bye to you all. Yes. So, okay. Now he tells that he is very happy, it seems. He tells he is very happy, but because you people are listening. Okay. Okay. That's good of you. So he tells bye and he asks you to listen carefully and enrich your knowledge. So, goat, pig, cat, dog, horse, cow, all these. There are many more animals. I've taken very few animals for your level. These are called as domestic animals. Domestic animals. Remember this. Okay. Example, I'll ask you later. Now, my dear children, the other part is there are few more animals. You're going to see what are those animals. Okay. Yes. Here you can see animal. Listen to the sounds. See, all together I'm teaching you because sounds I'm not teaching for the separate class. I won't be teaching sound of the animals as well as animals about animals. I'm teaching in the today itself. Okay. In Google Classroom, you would have seen it in a different form.
Lion man.
Yes.
Lion man.
Yes, lion is here to welcome you. You know, lion is known as king of forest. So lion, oh my dear children,
Wild animal.
lion, king of the forest. Now you have to, when teacher starts teaching, you should off your mic. When you hear my sound, hear my voice, hear me talking, immediately you'll put off your mic. None of you will keep your mics off. It tells, I am king of forest. Lion is known as king of forest. See, it has a mane. This part, hair, no, we call it as a mane. We will be learning later. See, it has a tail. Look at the body. Have you seen this animal in any of the house? Anybody having, any human being having with them in the house? Have you all seen, children? Yeah, show the action. Wonderful. No, you have not seen. Very good, Shailesh. Yeah, Sannidhi is making the action. I'll make you all to do the actions afterwards. Okay. So this we haven't seen. You show the action, my dear children. So lion tells, my dear children, I too love you. I love all first B children. I want you to grow smart like me. You have to become king. You have to become queen. Okay. That's what lion is telling today. Now, which animal is this?
Tiger. 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 Ma'am, national animal tiger.
Wonderful. Who said national animal?
Tiger.
Super, dear. Oh my God. I'm going to keep quiet. I'm not going to teach you.
Tiger man.
You keep talking, I'll not teach. Once you said 1 minute, enough. We cannot extend much of time. Good. Tiger, and tiger is known as a national animal. Right. See, tiger tells to you. Hi, first B kids. I love you all. You know I am your national animal, right? I have stripes on my body. Okay. You would not have seen me. Look at me nicely. See. Look at the mouth, eyes, ears, tail, and look at the body. Okay. And these animals are dangerous animals. Okay. So listen to your parents, obey to your parents, be good children. This is what I want, tells the tiger. Got it? Okay. Now, my dear children, wild animals are not domesticated. They are very difficult it is very difficult for them to be with us. They cannot live with us. We cannot make them to be cool like cow or dog or cat or goat. Okay, they are very dangerous animal. Who are very dangerous animal? These animals are very dangerous animals.
Dinosaur.
Dinosaur. Look at it.
It's a dinosaur, man. Dinosaur.
Yes.
Dinosaur, man.
Okay, my dear children. Okay, off your mic. When Yes, you're right. It's dinosaur.
Dinosaur, ma'am.
Yeah, even dinosaur would like to speak with you. It tells, "Hi, first bee kids. How are you all? Nowadays, I'm not there. I was living years back. But you know, I always have a wish that you people excel, you people study well, you people obey to your teacher, obey to your parents, do all writing work, do everyday's reading work, and become very good. Yes. So, if you're like that, I'm not going to do anything. Otherwise, I'll come in your dream and disturb you, tells this dinosaurs. Okay, children. Okay.
Ma'am, this is also one dinosaur, no, ma'am?
Yes, my dear. Yes, yes. This is
It's like a dinosaur. It's a ball. Teddy bear.
yes.
Bhalu. Ma'am, bhalu. Beard. Bhalu. Beard. Ma'am. Bhalu. Bhalu. Ma'am, bear.
Yeah, it's a bear.
Beard.
Yeah,
Bear.
I have to write this bear. Bear also wants to speak with
Beard,
you.
ma'am.
Yes, bear also want to speak with you. Balu also. Now listen. Yes. Hello. Hello, my dear children. Put off your mic. I am here to speak with you. Why is your mic on? Off your mic and listen. Okay, I am a bear. I am a bear. I like sugar cane. Okay, and I can walk with my two legs also. Okay, this is a bear. Most of these animals live in forest, jungle.
What is that, ma'am?
Which animal is this?
Ma'am, rhino. Rhino.
Okay, would you like to see rhinoceros? This animal has one horn in front. Look here, children. Sharp horn it has in front of the face, nose. See, this is its nose, eyes. Here you see the horn. We call it as horn. Very big animal, rhinoceros. Okay. So even it tells, "Hi, children. I'm rhinoceros. I have a horn." Okay. And I am very dangerous. I am also very dangerous. I live in jungles. Okay. Be good, do good, and think good. Okay. So which animal is this?
Dinosaurus.
Okay, my dear children.
Silence.
I'm not going to teach. Until you stop, no teaching.
Everybody here.
Mute your mics. You can tell the name and immediately you have to off the mic. You should not keep prolonging, telling continuously, no? It should not be a disturbance for the teacher. I'm giving you opportunity to tell. After you tell, immediately off your mic. Mohit, off your mic. Pratiksha. See.
Your fault.
Mohit, can you hear me? Okay. Now, this is cheetah. Cheetah will be thinner than the leopard. Head also will be thin, and cheetah will have a long tail. Okay. Leopard will have bigger head and short curved tail. Okay. This and all is not necessary for you, just for your information. All these animals. This is, which animal is this?
Deer.
Deer. Yes, see, look at the deer. It has a short tail, and look at the body structure. Almost all the animals are having 4 legs. Which animal is this?
Zebra. Zebra.
Mute your mic. When I tell
Zebra.
you cannot keep talking as you like. Once you tell, mute your mic. Zebra. Sure. Did you listen to the sound? It's so beautiful, no? With black and white color. Okay, see, look at the zebra. Zebra would also like to talk. Zebra is very unhappy. It's telling, no, you people are not listening to Shantini ma'am. After you tell the name of us, you have to mute your mic. But you're not muting your mic. I'm very unhappy. So I want to go back. I'm going. Will you be good children? Will you listen? You can tell and you have to off your mic. Otherwise, none of us is going to come today and speak with you, tells this zebra. So, listen to teacher. You can tell the name immediately off your mic. 1, 2, 3. That's all. You have to tell in your mind. On your mic, tell immediately off your mic. Now, we have find out what animal is this. Yes, many of you are right. Stop. Yes. Why so much of extension? Parents, please guide your kids. See that they off the mic immediately. So this is nothing but wolf. You know, do you remember the story? Wolf and a boy. Have you heard of the story? All these are very dangerous animals. They eat the flesh of other animals. Okay, they eat the flesh of.
Hippopotamus.
Yes, mute your mic.
Hippopotamus.
Yes, you're right. Hippopotamus. Mute your mic. My God. Mute your mic, dear children. Listen to the sound. This is nothing but hippopotamus. See, it has a flat face. Look how it looks. My God. All these are dangerous animals and you would not have seen. And it cannot live with any of the human. It can live in forests and jungles. See how it is? Hippopotamus. My God. So scary, no? Even, yeah, it is. Wear your mask and be careful to be away from COVID, my dear children. Okay. Keep clean, stay safe, tells hippopotamus to all of you. Look at its nose, mouth, my God. Okay.
Elephant.
Yes. Do you know? Yes. Can you off your mic, please? Immediately. Yes, very good. This is smart. Oh my God, elephant is so happy. It's telling, my dear children, good morning to you all. I'm so happy. I'm blessing you because you people immediately off your mic when Shantini ma'am told. So it's blessing. It's very happy. See, elephant. Look at the elephant. This is trunk. Elephant's nose is known as trunk. It has a it has here you can see tusk. This teeth, no teeth like us, bigger teeth. It's called as tusk. Look at, and it has fan-like ears. Who's that parent talking? Parent, please mute your mic and speak with your kid. Okay. So here, see. Look at the ears. It has a very big fan-like ears. And you know, it is the largest land animal. It is the largest land animal. Very big it is. Have you all seen elephant? It can carry lots of weight also. In detail, you will be learning later. Okay, so it tells, I'm happy. Immediately, you all muted the mic after looking at me. Thank you, my dear children. I love you, children. I love you very, very much, tells this elephant. Next. Zebra already done. Which animal is there? This.
Mongoose, ma'am. Mongoose. Mongoose.
Huh?
Mongoose.
This is what mongoose. Panda.
Ma'am.
Panda.
Panda. Ma'am, I can see the mongoose.
Okay. Now,
The mongoose.
okay, off your mic. Off your mic. Now, learn the spellings. L-I-O-N. 3 times you will tell. L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. L-I-O-N, lion. That's all. Do not talk more than that.
L-I-O-N, lion.
Okay. Next. Learn the spelling for tiger.
Tiger.
T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Tell 3 times. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Next is dinosaur. D-I-N-A-S-U-R, dinosaur. Dinosaur. Okay.
Bear.
Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Now, next animal is H-I-P. Hip. P-O. Po. T-A. Ta. M-U-S. Mus. Hippopotamus. Hip. H-I-P. Hip. P-O.
Ma'am, it's rhinoceros.
Oh, sorry. Rhinoceros. I want to see where they are. Yeah. Rhinoceros. R-H-I. Very good. Who is this? Who was alert? Let me give thumbs up. Who told? Huh? Mokshit. Wonderful. You're alert. Okay. Good. So you are my teachers, you remember? Rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-U-S. Rhinoceros. Rhinoceros. Okay. This is camel, right?
Zebra.
Zebra.
Giraffe.
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 Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe. You have to spell and learn like that. Giraffe. Okay. The next.
Kangaroo.
Kang. K-A-N-G. Kang. So, K-A-N. Kang. G-A-Ga. Ru. R-O-O. Ru. Easy, no? Spellings also. K-A-N. Kang. G-A-Ga. R-O-O. Ru. Kangaroo. They telling us kangaroo and kangaroo, both are pronunciation are right, and because in different, British, American English, they tell in different pronunciation, right? So this is kangaroo, or kangaroo. Okay. Next is
Cheetah, ma'am.
cheetah. Chi. Spelling क्या है? C-H-E. Chi. Theater. Cheetah. Easy, no? Cheetah. This is tiger, no?
Leopard.
Leopard. La. L-E-A-R-D. Leopard. L-E-L. P-O-P-A-R-D. Leopard. Right. This is
Deer, ma'am.
okay. Okay, good. Look at the spelling. Look at spelling. Is the spelling right? Is the spelling right?
No.
Who said no? Kritika, what is the spelling of D?
C-H-E-E-T. D-E-R, deer. Yeah. You are dear children. You are dear children. But this is D-E-E-R, deer. Don't get confused, my dear children. My dear. When I'm telling my dear children, this deer. But this is animal deer. You will not tell deer. It is deer. Deer. Deer is D-E-A-R, deer. Okay. Next is zebra. Z means which spelling? Z-R-A. Zebra. Z-R-A. Zebra. W-O. Wolf. W-O-L-F. Wolf. Hippopotamus. H-I-P. Hippopotamus. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. You not tell elephant. Elephant. Okay. Now, my dear children, off your mic and listen to Shantini ma'am now. Off your mic, all of you. No.
Off your mic, all of you. My dear children, first we saw some of the animals which are seen at home, isn't it? But after that we saw those animals which cannot be seen at home, which cannot be taken care by the people. So and which are very dangerous. They will kill us. Even human beings, they'll kill anybody, any animals, anything. They are very dangerous. Not only scary, they are very dangerous animals.
Such animals are called as wild animals. And they don't live in homes. They don't live with us. They don't live with the house what we make. They live in forests. They live in jungles. And so you can see these animals in zoo also. Okay. Such animals are known as wild animals. Wild animals. Okay.
Good
So
morning, ma'am.
I told you about domestic animals and wild animals. The other sort of animals is pet animals. Okay. Before that, you are my teacher. I am your student. You are going to teach me whether I'm right or wrong. When I'm right, you know what should you do. You'll put your thumbs up and clap for me. If I am wrong, you'll put your thumbs down. All of you keep your cameras on. Amit Gowda, what is that you're doing? Put your slate down and listen to madam. Yes. Wild animals are very friendly. All of you do. Wild animals are very friendly. Wild animals are very good. Wild animals are very dangerous. Very dangerous. Wild animals are very dangerous. I clap. If I'm, are you? Why you are telling thumbs down, Sanidhya? Sanidhi. It is dangerous animal. So you have to clap for me, yeah? Dangerous animals. Okay. Domestic animals are kept in homes. Domestic animals are kept in homes. Why is so much of confusion? Many of you are not answering. Janani, domestic animals are kept with human beings. Very good. You're right. Janani, you're right, dear. You're right. See, when I told domestic animals are kept in home, some of the animals are kept and some of the animals are not kept. I think Janani was confused for that. Yes. Keep your cameras on, my dear children, all of you.
Ma'am, but domestic animal lives in farm.
Is in the farm. You're right. You're right. That's what. Some of you are getting confused.
Animals are lived in farm.
Yeah. See, here we are saying domestic animals are kept in farms. It is kept with human beings. Human beings take care of domestic animals. Is it right or wrong? Am I right? Domestic animals are taken care by humans, right? So sweet. Who's clapping? So Mokshit is clapping. Amit is clapping. Shreyas, sit properly. Otherwise, I'll remove you from the class. I've told nobody will sit on the bed. You'll sit on the chair. Shreyandas, parent of Shreyandas, see to it that he sits properly. He is lying down there. Okay. Now, domestic animals are very dangerous animals. Domestic animals, yes. Come on, show the action. All of you enjoy your classes. Thumbs down करके दिखाओ ना. शांतिनी मैम गलती बोलने से क्या करना है? Thumbs down दिखाओ. Yeah, domestic animals are friendly animals. Domestic animals are very friendly animals. Very good. Very good. Yes, Sannidhi, correct. Okay. Now, domestic animals listen to human beings. Domestic animals, yes, Janani, very good. Yes, who's this? Amit, good. Nupurara, good. Mokshit, good. Mokshit, I'm feeling happy to see at Mokshit because the way he's clapping, like, very excited. Involvement. This is the involvement what I want. I want all of you to keep your mics, off and cameras on. Okay. See, this is the gesture. Even I feel happy to look at you all. Right. Wonderful. Wonderful. Okay. Now, so domestic animals live in jungles. Domestic animals live in jungles. Wild animals live with humans. We can see wild animals in the zoo. We can see wild animals in the zoo. Very good, very good. We can see wild animals in the zoo. Yeah. Domestic animals depend on human beings for food. Yes, Mokshit, you're right. Don't worry. Think, listen carefully. Yeah. Wild animals eat flesh of other animals. Most of the wild animals eat flesh of other animals. Isn't it? Okay. Now, I hope all of you understood at least what is domestic animals. Keep your cameras on. Now, you write 5 domestic animals with your parents' help, 5 wild animals. Okay. And I would like to see who all are absent. So let me just take a click of who all are present. 1 second, because I have to mark attendance.